Hello everyone, today I am going to show about how I can create a repository in GitHub and how can upload the image this repo. So first of all, you go for a GitHub account and then click on the create new file and new repository. Then you attach the as usual name, your name, etc. I say project name, etc. And then click the create repository options. So I can before I can create the some repository, so I as well click the repository. So first of all, I go for our edit options. Let me edit options. So it is our some codes. I can how I can put this option. So now I am derive view. First of all, you go for the issues options and click the new issue and minimize your sorry and create drag and drop a file, drag and drop, and GitHub create for a link. So you this link copy it and use another portions of the GitHub reports, another options, another portions. So I can suppose I can put this these portions. I can resolution some short height 46 and then height is 20 x. Yes, now I am the preview. Yes, it is upload the our first screenshot, such as image all over uploaded these rules, following these rules. Okay.